Imagine if passing your exam could come down to eating just one thing. Sounds impossible, right? But let's explore the fascinating world of food, the brain, and how one powerful ingredient could be your secret weapon to scoring higher marks. Exams are not just about how much you study, they're about how sharp, focused, and calm your brain can stay under pressure. And believe it or not, food plays a massive role in that. Think about this. When you wake up on exam day and rush out the door without eating anything, your brain is already at a disadvantage. Why? Because your brain runs on glucose, the simplest form of sugar that comes directly from the food you eat. Without it, concentration drops, memory recall slows down, and anxiety takes over. That's why experts say, feed your brain, not just your body. So what's that one thing you can eat to pass your exam? It's not some magic pill or complicated recipe. It's the humble blueberry. Yes, the small, round fruit that many overlook in the supermarket is actually a powerhouse for your brain. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants, particularly flavonoids, which have been proven in studies to improve memory, focus, and problem-solving ability. Imagine sitting in the exam hall, and while others are struggling to recall what they studied last night, your brain is firing like lightning, quickly connecting ideas, retrieving answers, and keeping you calm under stress. That's the effect blueberries can have. They increase blood flow to the brain, protect brain cells from stress, and enhance communication between neurons. Now, here's the interesting part. You don't even need to eat a whole bowl. Just a small handful of blueberries in the morning before your exam can trigger these benefits. You could eat them raw, blend them into a smoothie, or sprinkle them on yogurt. The effect is the same. Your brain gets a turbo boost at the exact moment you need it most. And it's not just about exams. Scientists found that people who eat blueberries regularly perform better in memory tests, stay sharper as they age, and even fight off mental fatigue faster than those who don't. In simple words, blueberries are nature's cheat code for your brain. But let's be honest. Eating blueberries alone won't make you pass if you haven't studied. They don't magically put information in your head. What they do is maximize the power of the brain you've been training while studying. Think of your brain as a car. Studying is filling the tank with fuel, but blueberries are like high-octane gasoline that makes the engine run smoother and faster when it matters most. Here's a tip. The night before your exam, revise calmly, then get some sleep. In the morning, instead of skipping breakfast or loading up on junk food, prepare a simple meal. An egg for protein, a slice of whole grain toast for steady energy, and a handful of blueberries for brain power. That combination is a winning formula to keep your energy stable and your mind razor sharp. Picture yourself walking into the exam hall. Others look tired, nervous, distracted. But you sit down feeling alert and calm. Your mind is clear, ideas flow easily, and your memory feels sharper than ever. When the paper lands on your desk, instead of panic, you feel confident. You know you're ready. That's the silent power of what you ate earlier. And here's the suspense. Scientists still don't fully understand all the ways blueberries impact the brain. Every year, new studies show deeper connections between diet and mental performance. Some researchers even call blueberries brain berries because of their remarkable effects. The truth is, nature gave us everything we need to thrive, and sometimes the simplest foods are the most powerful. So, if you want an edge in your exams, don't ignore what's on your plate. One handful of blueberries might just be the secret weapon you didn't know you had. The exam isn't only about how many hours you studied. It's about how ready your brain is to perform. And now, you know one simple thing that could make all the difference. So remember this: eat smart, think sharp, and let your brain do the rest. Because sometimes, success is not just about studying harder, it's about fueling smarter. And maybe, just maybe, that one handful of blueberries could be the reason you pass your exam with flying colors.